Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the phone app because the Announce Call voice lives there. Open Menu, then Settings, then Announce Calls. Once done, pick a mode. Always, headset only, or never. This controls when the voice speaks. Make sure accessibility settings like TalkBack are configured first if you need spoken feedback. That prevents conflicts. You're setting the trigger before changing the voice itself. This prepares the system, so voice selection applies reliably across calls and accessories. Next, you change the spoken voice used for announce calls by updating text-to-speech output. Go to Settings, General Management Language and Input, then Text-to-Speech Output. Choose the TTS engine, Samsung or Google, and pick a language and voice variant. Adjust speech rate and pitch so names announce clearly. Slower speed often improves recognition. Once you select the engine, test with the listen to an example control, because announce calls will use this exact TTS profile during incoming call announcements. Finally, confirm the change by making a test call and listening for the new voice. If you don't hear it, toggle announce calls off and on, then restart the phone app. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't silencing notifications. If that fails, clear text-to-speech engine data or update the TTS app in Play Store, because corrupted data stops voice changes from applying. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the phone after changing TTS engine and language to force the system to reload voice assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.